Black pepper chicken gravy. Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious chicken gravy with black pepper. Take a chicken and added yogurt. Added black pepper. Ginger and garlic paste and red chili powder added. Mixed well and leave 15 minutes. Now we squeeze a lemon in it and mixed. In the big pan we will add the batter and add the chopped onions. Now green chilies, garlic ginger paste and cashew nuts will be lightly fried. Now take it out on a plate. Now add butter to the pan and put the chicken in it so that the chicken gets fried well. Grind the onion, cream, chilies, ginger, garlic paste and cashew nuts and add to it. Add this yogurt. Add salt. Cooked well. Added homemade spice. Will fry well. Ready for eat. Delicious and tasty food. Full of taste black pepper chicken gravy. Thanks for watching.